In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the TradingView rectangle tool to enhance your chart analysis. Whether you're new to TradingView or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you confidently draw and customize rectangles, enabling you to mark significant areas on your charts, such as support and resistance zones. To begin, let's locate the rectangle tool on TradingView. When you open your TradingView chart, direct your attention to the left side of the interface, where you'll see a column filled with various drawing tools. Among these, the icon for the rectangle tool is what we're looking for. It's usually represented by a small rectangle symbol. Once you've spotted this icon, go ahead and click on it to activate the tool. Next, it's time to set the first point of your rectangle. With the rectangle tool selected, click anywhere on your chart where you want the rectangle to begin. This point serves as the anchor for your rectangle, so think about where you need to mark significant levels or areas of interest on your chart. Once you've clicked to set the starting point, it's time to define the size of your rectangle. Simply move your mouse across the chart while holding down the mouse button. As you drag, you will see the rectangle dynamically grow in both width and height. This allows you to adjust its dimensions to perfectly fit the area you're analyzing, whether it's a particular price zone or a time frame. After you've resized your rectangle to the desired dimensions, you need to place it on the chart. To do this, just release the mouse button and click again. This second click will finalize your drawing and the rectangle will be fixed in place on your chart. It's now effectively marking the area you've chosen to highlight. To further customize the rectangle, double-click on it and the settings menu will pop up. Here you can change the rectangle's color, allowing you to visually code different sections of your chart. This feature can be especially useful if you're tracking multiple areas simultaneously and want to differentiate them clearly. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the line style, making it solid, dashed, or dotted according to your preference. If you're focusing on identifying support and resistance zones, you might want to add a middle line within the rectangle for extra clarity. For those who prefer efficiency, TradingView offers handy shortcuts. If you're on a Windows system, the hotkey, Alt plus Shift plus R, will quickly bring up the rectangle tool without needing to navigate through the toolbar. Mac users can do the same with the shortcut Nash-R. This can save you some valuable time, especially if you find yourself frequently marking rectangles on your charts. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively use the rectangle tool in TradingView, making your chart analysis clearer and more organized. Happy charting!